Whoa, the smell here is amazing. What is that?
Welcome to Maple Street Market, my friend. That's the sound and smell of happiness. Street food.
I believe you. I think I'm already hungry just walking past these stalls.
Same here. Come on, let's grab something. You've got to try the food here.
Yeah, but I've never ordered from a street vendor before.
Don't worry, it's easy. Just be friendly and use simple English. You'll love it.
Okay, let's try, that one. The cart with the sizzling sound.
Ah, that's Sam's food cart. The best grilled sandwiches in the city.
Sandwiches? Yes, please. I'm starving.
Let's go. Hey, Sam. How's it going, man?
Hey, all good. What can I get for you guys today?
My friend here's trying your famous sandwiches for the first time.
Yeah. Hi. They told me your sandwiches are legendary. Oh, you heard right. We've got grilled cheese, spicy veggie, and chicken melt. What are you in the mood for? They all sound good. What's your most popular one? Definitely the chicken melt. It's spicy, juicy, and full of flavor. Okay, I'll try that one.
Good choice. Trust me, your life's about to change.
You want it mild or spicy?
Medium spicy? I still want to taste my tongue after this.
Got it. One medium spicy chicken melt coming right up.
Great. Wow, I love this vibe. It's noisy, but in a good way.
That's the charm of street food. It's alive. You hear the laughter, smell the spices, and feel the energy?
Yeah, it's like the whole city is eating together.
Exactly. And you know what's funny? You don't need fancy words to order here. Just smile and be polite.
Yeah, that's comforting. My English sometimes freezes when I get nervous.
Happens to everyone. Just talk naturally. Street vendors are super friendly.
Yeah, Sam seems nice.
Oh, he's awesome. He remembers everyone's order.
Really?
Yeah, last week I said same as usual, and he knew exactly what to make.
That's cool. I hope I become a usual soon.
Keep coming back and you will.
Oh, wow. That smell is next level.
That's butter, cheese, and magic.
You sound like a food poet.
Food brings out my creative side.
He's so fast. Look at him flipping those sandwiches like a pro.
Yeah, it's like a performance. Street cooking is an art form.
True. And I love how open it is. You can see everything being made right in front of you.
That's part of the trust. Fresh food, hot grill, open kitchen, all on the street.
I like that. It's real.
All right, chicken melt ready. Who's the brave one?
That would be me.
Here you go, hot and fresh.
Thank you so much. Wow, it looks amazing.
Take a bite. Go on.
Oh, wow. That's incredible.
Haha, told you.
It's crispy on the outside and soft inside. The flavor's crazy good.
See? You're officially part of the street food family now.
I think I might never eat in a restaurant again.
Careful, you'll become addicted.
I already am.
You want something to drink with that? Lemon soda?
Oh, yes, please. That sounds refreshing.
Here you go. Be careful. It's fizzy.
Thanks. Wow, that's perfect. Sweet and tangy.
Now you're living the full experience. Sandwich and soda combo.
This is honestly the best meal I've had all week.
And it only costs a few dollars.
Seriously?
Yep, street food's cheap, quick, and delicious. That's why people love it.
No wonder it's so busy here.
Exactly.
I love how everyone's standing, chatting, eating, and laughing. It feels like a community.
That's the beauty of it. Street vendors don't just sell food. They create little moments of joy.
Yeah. Food that makes people connect.
That's deep.
I guess the food philosopher in me is waking up now.
I can see that.
Need any ketchup or sauce, buddy?
Oh, yes, please.
There you go.
Thanks. You're fast.
Fast food, my friends, but made with love.
You should put that on your signboard.
Noted.
He actually writes funny quotes sometimes.
Really? Like what?
Last week it said, "Diet food is not allowed near this cart."
I love that.
Yeah, that's his style.
You know, street vendors are so creative.
Totally. They mix humor, food, and personality. That's why people come back.
Oh, wow. That was amazing.
Done already?
Yeah, I couldn't stop eating.
That's how you know it's good.
I feel like I just experienced real culture. Not fancy, but real.
Exactly. Street food is like a mirror of everyday life. Simple, warm, full of flavor.
And full of people who care about what they do.
Well said.
Hey, did you like it?
Loved it. It was perfect. You've got a new fan.
Glad to hear that. Come back anytime.
I will. Maybe tomorrow.
I'll keep the grill ready.
You see? He's already got your schedule planned.
Yeah, I'm officially a regular now.
Welcome to the club.
You know, ordering food like this was easier than I thought.
Of course. Street English is simple. Polite greetings, short questions, and friendly tone.
Yeah, just hi, can I have, and thank you. That's it.
Exactly. And always ends with a smile.
Done. I'll add street vendor English to my daily practice list.
Good idea. You can practice anywhere. Fruit stalls, snack carts, food trucks.
Oh, yeah. Like, how much for this? Or, can you make it less spicy?
Perfect. You're getting it.
I'll be fluent in food English soon.
That's the best kind of fluency.
You know, this reminds me. Food connects people no matter what language they speak.
That's true. You don't need perfect grammar to say, "This tastes good." Everyone understands that.
Yeah. Maybe learning English isn't just about books. It's about experiences like this.
Exactly. Real English, real people.
Thanks for bringing me here, by the way.
Anytime. I love introducing friends to street food and street English.
Both are delicious.
Well said.
Hey, next time, try my spicy noodles. They'll make you cry. In a good way.
Oh no, I'm scared already.
You have to try them once. It's like a rite of passage.
Okay, next time I'll come with tissues and courage.
Deal.
And I'll use my English, medium spicy, please. I want to live after this.
Perfect sentence.
I'm learning.
You really are.
You know, I like learning this way. Talking, eating, laughing. It doesn't feel like studying.
That's the secret, David. The best English lessons happen in real life.
I'll remember that, and this sandwich.
Especially the sandwich.
So, next weekend, street food tour again?
You read my mind. We'll go to the night market. More vendors, more laughs, more English practice.
Perfect. I can't wait.
Just don't ask for extra medium spicy again.
Hey, I was grave.
I know. You did great.
Thanks. This was the best lunch ever.
And a great English class, too.
Yeah, learning with flavor.
I love that. Learning with flavor.
Maybe that'll be the title of my vlog someday.
You'd go viral for sure.
Okay then, let's make it a plan.
Done deal.
All right, time to head back before I fall asleep from food happiness.
Street food coma. It's real.
Yeah, I can feel it already.
All right, let's go. But next week, we try something new.
As long as it's delicious, I'm in.
Spoken like a true foodie.
And a street English expert in training.
That too.
Bye, Sam. See you next week.
Bye. Bring your friends.
He'll remember you now. You're officially part of the street family.
I'll wear that badge with honor.
Good. Let's go before we order again.
Yeah, better run before my stomach votes yes.
Too late. It already